Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life, and I'll be drawing the cards for your energies and their energies and the current feelings of both of you, and what is the most likely course of action according to both of you, and the most likely outcome of the relationship. Okay, so let's get started. So what are your overall energies, Capricorn? Messages for Capricorns, your overall energies is the Six of Pentacles, okay? So let's see, what are your feelings for the person you are thinking about? Hermit, okay. Let's see what is the best course of action according to you in this situation. Is the World, okay. So let's see what are the overall energies of the person you are dealing with. The High Priestess, just see, we have the Hermit there and the High Priestess here. Okay, so let's see what are their current feelings for you, Capricorns. The King of Wands is very active these days. Let's see what is the best course of action they plan to take. According to them, what is the best course of action? The Page of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what's the most likely outcome of this connection is. Ooh, fighting. Five of Wands. This one was also wanting to come out, the Nine of Wands. So fighting since a long time or what? Weird. So maybe it will be, it's a conflict, don't get biased. Okay. And yeah, one more thing I would like to add. I'll be taking the clarifiers and doing an extended reading to this one, and if this reading resonates with you, do click on the link in the description box below. It will take you to Patreon. You can listen to the entire reading there. Okay, so that is an extended to this reading. Okay, so let's get started. Your energies are the Six of Pentacles. So you are trying to balance the situation in your life. You're trying to basically balance your life, trying to sort of sort out things in your life, whatever it was which has been troubling you. Definitely there must have been certain things or certain situations in your life which were perhaps out of your control, or they were like, they have left you out of control, in the sense that they have left you imbalanced. So they did have a deep impact on you. Those issues or those situations must have had a deep impact on your life, and they have left you sort of worn off or withered off, as if they left you feeling empty. Okay, they left you felt depleted, as if all your energy has been drained, all your perhaps even finances have been drained, something of that sort. So it is like you are trying to get back the control of your life and trying to replenish your energy, your vitality, your enthusiasm, your passion, your mental status, your health, whatever it was which was being affected. Okay, so that is what you are trying to do. That is what your overall energy is. As far as your current feelings for the person are concerned, for them who you are dealing with, is the Hermit. So definitely you feel alone. If you are already staying with this person, then still, even though you are staying with them, you feel alone with them. You really don't feel involved. Perhaps you don't feel loved, or there is not an adequate chemistry between both of you, that in spite of they being there, you still feel alone. Okay, and the thing is, maybe you don't talk much, maybe you don't communicate much, you're spending time alone. Either they are not giving you the time, or you are not enjoying the company. So whatever it is, you are just being to your own self, you are just to your own, you are spending that time alone, or maybe you are actually alone, maybe you're actually not staying with them, it can be that also. So it has to be taken according to your situation. But then you are thinking hard. It's not that you are not looking, it's, there is a situation here about which you are trying to look for the answers within. You are trying to analyze the situation as to what's going on, what should be done, what is the remedy to it, what is the solution for it, what can I do about it. It's something like that. So this is somebody wise here, thinking, somebody trying to think wisely. It is not a person who is into taking some rash decisions or impulsive decisions. This is a person who is giving it the time, thinking it well. It has to be a well thought of decision, it has to be a wise decision. This person doesn't want to do anything immature. As far as the most likely or best course of action according to you is the World. What you feel here is that since you are trying to get your shit together, to be honest, you want something to end here, and you want a new life for yourself. Basically, ending doesn't mean in a bad way, but you want to keep those things aside. You really don't want to. You feel that okay, life has something more to offer. Life, you want a new beginning in your life. You want to leave whatever you just can't sort out. You just want to close it there and then, and just want to move on. Okay, you want a new beginning perhaps in your life, or maybe even with them. Maybe that is what you're thinking of. At how can that be done? As far as your person's energies are concerned, is the high priestess. So I really don't feel that you people are talking here or talking any sense here. Okay, I'm saying talking sense because we have that five of wands here also in the outcome. So definitely whatever you are talking is not yielding any good fruits or good results. Okay, though we'll clarify that on the Patreon, but still what I feel is, so maybe both of you are retreated to some extent from each other. Maybe you are, this person is also trying to look for answers within. Maybe this person is not telling you the entire thing. Maybe they are holding some secrets, secrets not in a bad way. They can be just, they're not expressing themselves much. Maybe they are hiding their feelings from you. Maybe they just want to retreat. They just want to time off. They just don't want to deal with anything. It can be as simple as that. Maybe they just don't want to talk. Okay, that is why they are not talking. Not necessarily that they want to keep secrets from you intentionally, but they also just want to take a step back. They just want to have their own time. It's something like that. Maybe they are also trying to get their life together. As far as their feelings for you are concerned, we have the King of Wands. So definitely they view you as somebody attractive, somebody sort of sorted out. Okay, they view you, they do have the passion for you. They feel that you are knowledgeable, you are good, you really have your shit together, you are mature, and this, so they do have the passion for you. As far as the best course of action is concerned, according to them, we have the Page of Pentacles. So this is a step forward. Maybe they will take a step forward, or they may talk to you, communicate with you. Some sort of a gesture or an initiative may be taken from this person's side as far as the best course of action is concerned. So maybe they're just taking a time off and trying to think, and they are also trying to analyze as to what should be done, and then maybe they also decide to take a small step forward. The most likely outcome is the Five of Wands and the Nine of Wands. So what I feel here is that definitely there is some confusion and some conflict here. Maybe you people are not able to convince each other for something. Maybe whenever you are talking about a particular topic, it ends up in a fight. It can be as simple as that. Not necessarily that you're fighting on everything, but maybe there is some issue here which is causing those fights. And since it is with the Nine of Wands, I think that this is an issue which is long standing. This is something which is there. This is the core which is causing the problem. So it is a long standing confusion or a fight or argument, a conflict, something. It's like maybe you want to convince them on that. Both of you are not agreeing on something since a long time. It's something like that. Basically, that is the outcome. So whatever solution you people are trying to find with the Hermit and the High Priestess, so both of you are trying to find a solution, but maybe you are not able to convince each other for that. Maybe your solution is different and their solution is different. Okay, and that is why you people are not on the same page as far as this most likely outcome of this relationship is concerned. Maybe both of you have different perspectives on how to solve it. And this is a consistent issue. It's a long-standing problem between both of you in this relationship. And that is why it is not moving forward. So Capricorns, this is for YouTube here. And if you really wish to listen to the entire reading, you can click the link below in the description box and listen to the entire reading on Patreon. And you're most welcome there. And if you just choose to be here on YouTube, then thanks for being here and hope it helps. Bye. Thank you.